Hi, this is Mycael, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Pebble HD Handheld Magnifier. So when we open it up, it comes with the Pebble, which is in this belt clip cell phone holder looking case. This is leather and says Enhanced Vision. They're the manufacturer on it. And the Pebble is inside. And it has a built-in folding handle. This is always attached. They've got it screwed in. And that can fold out to handheld mode. Or if it's flat, that's the reading mode. It has the power cable. This is a mini USB. So a little outdated by today cord standards, but yeah, they haven't updated this since it was made. So this is the mini USB, which is not to be confused with the micro USB, which is the even smaller one, which you can see there. It has a mini USB to standard USB, so you can plug it into your computer to offload pictures. It has a quick start guide, and this is one of my favorites because look at this thing. This is the biggest quick start guide we have ever seen. It shows a picture of the product with different arrows pointing to what the different buttons do. Then lastly, it comes with this Ziploc bag. I'm not going to open all this, but it's got a cleaning cloth, it's got the full page manual, and it has a warranty page in here. So that's all that you get with the Pebble Handheld Magnifier. Hope this helps. Like and subscribe down below.